Okay, so, I don't have any footage for today at all. There's my birdie. Today, what did I do today? I went to Walmart and I bought Sims Medieval, and I have to say I am obsessed with it. If anyone really wants me to give my opinion on it, because I know a lot of people are hating on it, just let me know in the comments, and I'll do it. If one person asks, I'll do it tomorrow on my vlog. Joey comes over tomorrow, and you know on the weekends these vlogs get more exciting and better. On the weekdays, they're boring. Getting really involved in church. I go again Sunday. No wait, I go Saturday and Sunday. Forgot about that. It's like, oh my god, my mom teases me. She's like, you gotta go to church every day of the week. I'm like, whatever. I'm not very religious, but I'm open, I guess you could say, to being religious. So, this is the first time I've ever been to a church, so excuse me if I'm talking about it a lot, because for me this is brand new and alienish, I guess I should say. It's like, I don't know. Anyways, I'm just walking around my room. Like my room, you like it, yeah. I don't know. I'm in a very good mood, and I don't even know why. Anyways, this is all there is for today. This is the only vlog that's gonna document today. And I need an intro for my vlogs. I have a couple people I can ask. A couple of my connections. But if you people can make me one, that'd be awesome. And you know I'd give you a shout out. Ooh, light. Okay. I like playing with lights. I like that a lot. Anyways, say good night to Bijou. Well, you're a mean little guy. I'll explain the situation with Bijou tomorrow. I really can't get into it because personally, I have to jump up on my bed to get on this thing. That's how high my bed is off the ground. I don't want to get into the Bijou. Why do these go up whenever I lay down? I don't want to get into the Bijou thing right now because it's kind of long. Okay, you talked me into it, I'll talk about it. I used to just grab him and pull him out of the cage because I thought that's how you do it. I've never heard a bird before. So now it's kind of pissy. I mean, I just read that that's exactly the thing you're not supposed to do. And he never steps up on my finger, he just hisses at me. So I'm a little confused and I don't know what to do. So right now I'm just letting him get used to me. Just chilling out and not really bothering him. Just letting him do something and I do my own thing and we're all good. But he hasn't been out of his cage for like 3 days. And I haven't touched him for 3 days. That sounds wrong. And I mean, I miss my little buddy because he was fine once I had him out, like as long as he was on my finger, but getting him out of the cage, he was traumatized, really. He would scream and I don't know, I hate to do that to him. So if any of y'all know what to do, let me know, because I don't know. I have this. I have a cocktail book, and I've been reading that, and it's teaching me a little bit. I have to fix a bookmark. Did I lose my place in the book? No, I didn't lose my place. I hate when that happens when you lose your place in a book. What was I even talking about? I don't even know. But it does help me a little bit, but not, you know. I mean, each is to his own, meaning Bijou you know, each cockatiel is different, just like each dog has a personality, each bird has a personality. I guess that goes with every animal. Do ants have personality? I imagine they do. Anyways, so it gives you the basics, but it's really up to the bird how long it's gonna take him to tame. He was hand fed. I don't understand his problem is. I really don't. I really don't know what his problem is. So if I put my hand in there right now, he's gonna bite it. But I'll try it. Let's try it. Let's go. Try this experiment. See, he's already hissing. Fishy, it's okay. You're a good bird. You're a good bird. Put you right here so I can. You a good bird? Step up. I'm not gonna bother you. I'll back up. Step up. Come on, Bijou. You a good bird. There you go. He's relaxing. Come on, baby. Step up. Just put his feathers up. He closed his mouth. He's assessing. My heart is beating. I love my little baby. Step up. Come on, step up. They said offer your hand instead of your finger. What does that mean? Step up. Step up. I'm not gonna hurt you. Bijou, you good bird. It's okay. Bijou, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. It's okay. Wanna step up? Step up. Bijou, you good bird. This video is gonna be way too long. No, it's okay, Bijou. Bijou. It's okay. No. It's okay, Bijou. I'm not gonna hurt you. No, it's okay. Not gonna hurt you. Well, I'm gonna go. You really don't need to see this. I'm just gonna be standing here with my bird, trying to get him used to my hand. My goal is not to get him on my hand. My goal is to get him to not be scared of my hand at this moment. He's really checking out my hand right now. He's already looking at a way to get down. I can't tell what exactly he's doing. I think he's looking at my hand though, but I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Because this vlog's already 10 minutes long. Bijou. I love this bird. I love him. I don't care how long it takes to tame him. Oh, I don't give up easily. Used to, but I don't know. Come on, Bijou, step up. You should see in his head, like,